Hi, everybody. This is just a brief quiz, if you will, to help you understand how this team contract grade choice will work. So, as you look at this table, you see on the left there's a team grade, and on the top there's a willingness to work, a percentage of the effort, really, in a number form that you're willing to work. So, as we go across the top at the 100 level in the yellow up here, this means that I'm willing to do the work of an A plus student. I'm willing to take on. I'm ready to take on the work of an A plus student. A 90, I'm willing to take on the work of an A minus student. An 80, a B minus student. A 70, a C minus student, and a 60, a D minus student. Give me the amount of work and give me the type of work in this project for a D minus student. Okay, so now if let's just say my goal is just merely to pass. I really just want to pass. I just need a 60%. Here's the deal, guys. If I just want a 60%, here it is 60% level. But if I want that 60%, that means that here's the catch. If I want a 60% and I just want to pass and I only want to do the work of a 60%, D minus student, that means my team grade, look over to the left, my team grade must be at 100%. So this D minus student is, or the person who has this goal, who has a motivation to do his or her work and also to do well as a team. Okay? So if they're not really willing to risk it, because if they risk it, let's just say the team grade, that same person, their team grade gets a 90% total team grade. That person who chose to only put in 60%, their willingness to work was only at a D minus level or a 60%. Their grade is going to drop quickly down to this 54 mark. Okay? So if the team gets a 90 and I only put in 60% effort, then my final grade individually is going to be a 54. So this might motivate the student to move up into this range. If they're willing to risk it and they think their team can get a 90 or above, then that means they can pass. Check it out. Here's 90, and that means they can pass with a 63. If they get a 90 or above, they have to do C minus work, and they can pass with that D minus. That's the least amount of that work they can do if they're willing to if they think their team can get a 90 or above. So I hope this chart has been helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions as you figure out your willingness to work.